Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial. In the last tutorial actually I'm stuck with the if condition in the Python. Actually what was the wrong is this alignment was wrong and it should be in the same line. Here alignment in the same line, this if and else should be there, that's why it's not showing properly. Now you can see if I press F5, okay, it's showing true because A is actually greater than B and it's taking the true value and showing it in the output. Okay, let me check for the other. I make things false, okay, and I will press B here and then type A here and going to Control S for save and pressing F5. Now it's showing false. Okay, actually it's showing false. Like that you can use if and if else function. For else if you can directly type else if. I hope something wrong with this. I hope this is the correct ELIF else if. Okay, and else if I am going to give another condition like that 33. Oh, it came inside. Okay, 33 is greater than A. Okay, and then double quotes, and then here I am going to add else double quotes, okay, and then print I am here. Okay, it should show I am here when B is less than B is greater than A is false. It come here and it will check 33 is greater than A, and then it will, if the condition was false, it will go to I am here. Okay, let me save this and then pressing F5, it's showing invalid syntax. Okay, this one should be at the last. Now it's correct, syntax is correct. F5, it's showing I am here. Okay, because actually the value of B is 30 is not greater than 200, it comes false, and then it will check 33 is greater than A. It is also false because it is it is also, it's true. No, actually it is false, right? 33 is not greater than 200. Okay, so that's why true condition is this and false condition is this, and hence it goes to false condition, and it will show I am here. Okay, let me change this to B and this one to A. Let me save this, pressing F5, it's showing true because A is greater than B, it's true, and it will directly show true function. Okay, like that you can use condition statements in Python. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed and learned something today. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe.